In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cute slides on Google Slides. We'll work right from the mobile app so you can design adorable, polished slides anywhere. By the end, you'll know how to set a soft pastel background, style your text with charming fonts, and add cute images and GIFs for personality. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone. From there, either open an existing presentation or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Give your project a quick name so it's easy to find later. To get that sweet pastel vibe, we'll build a background using a shape. Tap the plus icon to open the Insert menu and choose Shape. Pick the rectangle, then drag its corners until it covers the entire slide from edge to edge. With the rectangle selected, tap the Fill Color option. Choose a color you like, then pick the faintest shade in that color family so it reads as a gentle pastel. Light pinks, peaches, lavenders, mints, and sky blues work beautifully. Keep contrast in mind. If your background is very light, plan for slightly darker text so everything stays readable. Now let's make your text cute and cohesive. Tap a text box on your slide and highlight the words you want to style. Tap the Format icon, the one that looks like a capital A with horizontal lines. Open the font list and scroll to find rounded, playful, or handwritten styles that match your theme. Think soft and friendly rather than sharp and formal. As a guiding principle, limit yourself to one or two fonts across your deck so your slides feel consistent and easy on the eyes. You can also adjust size, boldness, and line spacing in the same panel to fine-tune readability. For decorative accents, bring in images you already have on your phone. Tap the plus icon again, choose Image, then From Photos. Select stickers, doodles, or small icons and place them at the corners or along edges to frame your content without crowding it. Transparent PNGs tend to blend best with pastel backgrounds, and keeping elements small helps your text remain the star. If you want a little motion, you can copy animated GIFs from sites like Giphy and paste them right onto the slide. Use them sparingly as fun accents. Too many animations can distract from your message. Repeat these same steps on additional slides to build a consistent, cute theme throughout your presentation. That's it. Simple, sweet, and totally doable on mobile. Have fun designing and enjoy your adorable Google Slides makeover.